In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust image on Kajabi for mobile. If you've ever noticed that an image looks great on desktop but feels too small, awkward, or poorly spaced on a phone screen, this process will help you fix that inside Kajabi. We'll be working directly in the page editor so you can preview the mobile version as you make your changes. Start by going to your Kajabi dashboard. This is your main control center, and it's where you can access the pages connected to your site. Once you're there, look for landing pages and click on it. That will open the area where your landing pages are stored. Next, click on the specific page you want to edit. Make sure you choose the page where the image appears, since the adjustments you make will apply within that page's design settings. After the page opens in the editor, look toward the upper center of your screen. You'll see a desktop preview icon. Click that and switch it over to the mobile icon. This is an important step because it lets you see how the page actually appears on a phone, which gives you a much better idea of what needs to be adjusted. Once you're in the mobile preview, click directly on the image you want to adjust. When you do that, the image settings should open in the left sidebar. This sidebar is where Kajabi places the controls for the selected section or block. So from here you can start fine-tuning how the image behaves on smaller screens. Now, in that left side menu, scroll down until you find the mobile layout section. Click on it to expand it. This section contains the mobile-specific settings for that image or block, and this is where you can make changes without guessing how they'll affect desktop layout. Inside the mobile layout area, you may see options labeled Hide Section or Hide Block. You can check or uncheck these depending on what you want. If the image you're using on desktop simply doesn't translate well to mobile, maybe because it gets cropped oddly or becomes too small to be useful, you can use one of these options to hide it completely on mobile. That can be a helpful choice when an image is decorative rather than essential. Just be careful to choose the option that matches what you're editing, whether it's an entire section or just a single block. If you want to keep the image visible and just improve how it fits, stay in that same image block and look for the mobile padding controls. Padding controls the empty space around the image, and too much padding on a small screen can cause the image itself to appear much smaller than it should. Adjust the top, bottom, left, and right padding by entering lower pixel values. For example, you might try something like 10 pixels or even 0 pixels, depending on how tight you want the layout to be. Reducing these values gives the image more room to display on narrow screens, which can help it look larger and more balanced. As you make changes, keep an eye on the mobile preview so you can see whether the image looks more natural and readable. Small adjustments often make a big difference here, so it's a good idea to go gradually rather than making extreme changes all at once. Once you're happy with how the image looks, click Save. This locks in your updates so the mobile version of your page reflects the changes you just made. That's the full process for adjusting an image on Kajabi for mobile. The key is switching into mobile preview first, selecting the image, and then using the mobile layout and padding settings to control how it appears on smaller screens. If needed, you can also hide the section or block entirely when the desktop version doesn't work well on mobile.